Hello, everyone. Let's continue zOS enterprise computing. Today, we will study COBOL code, how to read input data, and then hands-on lab. All right. So when we write program to process data, we need to have input data, okay? Now, how to input the data, okay? And the input data can be from the keyboard or the input file. And then the program, this application will process data, generate output. And then today we will study how COBOL open the input file, all right? And then read data from the input file. We are using zOS computer. The computer is located in a remote place, and there is no keyboard for zOS computer. So we have to prepare data, put it in an input file. Then the COBOL program can read the data from the input file. All right. So here is a sample code with input file. So this sample code, we will handle input file, okay? So let's quickly look at this COBOL sample code structure. It has identification division. I will turn the mouse pointer to pen. It has identification division, and then environment division. And then inside the environment division, we have to tell, okay, there is the input file. All right, later I will come back to explain it. And then now we have a data division. And then procedure division. Procedure division is here. Okay, that is the structure, all right, of this sample code. Basically, this sample code will do what? It will read two numbers, do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and then output the result. Okay, so to do this kind of work, we put the two data in the input file. Okay, identification, division, that's easy. Now, we have input file. How to declare input file? So under environment division, under input output section, we have to have file control. File control, select input 10, input 10, then assign to input file. This one we will later we will see in JCL file. JCL file has to tell this file is which data set, okay? This one it is in JCL file. And so under input output section, we have file control. It declare a file, input file. And then under data division, now there is a file description. That means describe this file. Okay, this file description block contains 0 record. What does that mean? Okay, block contains 0 mean if block contains 0 is specified, it means it is a QSAM file. QSAM means what? Means Q, the sequential access method. All right. So basically here it means Q, the sequential access file. And then recording mode is F. What does that mean? Recording mode F means fixed. All records in the file are same length. Okay, this is a file description. It describes this file. And the record contains 80 characters. Okay, one record maximum 80 characters. That's data division file section. And then here we need array data. Array data here. Array data. Group element, and then it is the numeric 3 bytes long, and then under working storage section now declare variable. Okay. It has our indicator end of the file, end of indicate use it is a mix of alphabet and numeric digit 1 byte, then 88 end of file. The value is yes, here's n. And now we have a table. Declare a table here. This table maximum size is 10. Okay, each record is numeric 9 bytes. Okay, so that's the table size. And then these are variables. These are variables to show addition result, subtraction result, multiplication result, division result, and the remainder of the division. So this sample code will read two data from the input file. Okay, read two data from the input file and then do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All right. So what it will do, it will read two data from the input file, put it in this array. This is a table. In Java or in C, we call the array. Okay. And that is a variable declaration. And then next, okay, is code. That's code under procedure division. The code, first we need to open the input file. Open this file. This file is the input. And then move 1 to I. I is a variable declared here. I is a variable declared here. And then it will repeat this loop. This is a loop. This loop will do what? It will read the input file, read by one record, okay? Record, you can say read one line by one line. Read one record and then move the data from here, from this array data to array element I. This array data, look at here, this array data is declared here. It is declared here under this file description. That means when it reads this file, the data will be read into this array data. Okay, it is one record. It is one record. Okay, then from here, data is copied from here, moved to element. This is array element I, and then I is increased by 1. So it will repeat this read until it reaches the end, okay, of the file. When it reaches end of file, all the data are in this array. When it reaches the end of the file, data are here. And then now close this input file because the data already read into this array. Now it will do what? It will do addition. Okay, this sample code shows will read two numbers from array. Then for those two numbers, first number is in array index 1, array index starting from 1, array or table, index start from 1. So first number is in array index 1, second number is here. Now do addition, give result in add result, subtraction, give result in subtraction result, multiplication, give result to multiply result. Then division. Division, it will divide second number by first number, giving the result in div division result and the remainder in remain result. All right. Then just display or output this result. All right. So that is a source code for reading, loading two numbers from file, and then do processing. And now let's try to open the JCL file. JCL, let's go back F3 key. Oh, no, we are not. We are still in PowerPoint slide. Okay. Here is a JCL file. JCL file, that's the job card. And then this JCL just use this IGYWCLG. This is this utility will do compile, link, and run at once. Okay, to save time, we just use this one. This is not a usual way to do software development. The usual way to do software development is compile, link, and execute separately, okay? So we will use this utility, and the input file, input source is here. This is a COBOL source code. It is under this PDS. The input data is here. The input data, this one is just a PS data set, PS data set. Then this one is a PDS, okay? The member is array. All right, so that's the JCL. Next, okay, we will, that's the result. When we run the JCL, it will generate this result. And these two are number in the input file. These 5 are result. All right, next is hands-on lab. Before going to hands-on lab, I'd like to thank these 3 persons. All right, my computer is connected to zOS, so we just start from here. First, let's check the source code. Select the number 2, COBOL code. Under this PDS, we find the array of this one. This is a COBOL code. So this code I just explained, mainly it will have our input file. Input file, where you declare input file, it is under environment division, okay? And then that's under environment division, you have to tell input file, output file. And then under data division, you have to give the file description. Here, under file control, you tell there is input file, and then here is the file description. And next page, file description, okay. And then that's also a part of file description. And then under working storage, declare variable. declare variables. And then next, just open the file, load the data into array, into this array. Oh, sorry, that's. And then do addition, subtraction, division, and then display the result. All right, that's the source code. Let's go back. And let's check input data. Input data is our PS data set. So we just check, it is called in data. That's this file. Okay, see this input file, it has two data. Okay, it will read these two data, do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All right, we confirm the input data. And next, we will open the JCL file. And we will use this JCL, J array, and okay. So this JCL, we will use IGYWCLG to compile, link, and run this COBOL code, okay? And then it will use this input data. Look at here, in COBOL code, in this COBOL code, we mentioned the input file. So in this JCL, we have to clearly tell this input file is located under the in this PS file. Okay, so in this array COBOL code, we mentioned the input file is here, and then now in JCL input file, it tell input file is this one. All right. So let's submit this JCL, and then give a letter, for example, give a letter D. And then let's go to start, and oops, there are errors. We have to check the error. The error is here, and check the output, then D, this one is D, okay, and select D. So read this one, it will tell what's going wrong, errors. The array. Okay, basically this part expected a data name function identifier or literal, the statement discard. Okay, to move array data to array I. And we will look at this part, and then forward, stop run, it tell one severe error. Okay, let's go back to check the source code. Edit COBOL code, and array, edit. This part is okay, the coding, and perform input, move array ARR data to ARR. at I. And true. Here. Not display here, something missing. And display, okay, here there is a display. This is extra, okay? So not at the end display. All right, so we fix one error and then let's save it, save, and then go back to the JCL. JCL to run this one. It is in use, then just press F3, F3, and F3 again. Now here, we will we correct the source code and then submit this one again. Give a letter E. Then start SD, go to ISPF top, and then use select SD menu. Now, no error, no warning. No error, no warning. It should generate result. How to check the result? We need to search output queue. Select the O, find KC. Did we give E? Oh, yes, it is here. There are two files postfix with E. One of them is output. Let's open the first one. So this is output. It will read, these two data are read from the input file, and then it generates this result. All right, basically this video shows you how to give the input data, okay? Because zOS does not have a keyboard in front of you, you have to prepare data or put them in the input file. Then COBOL program can open the file, read the data from the input file. All right, that's all for this video.